Everybody, acknowledgement in the chat box will help me to understand that you're all able to hear my voice loud and clear, and then we can begin the session. I have just now said hi. Thank you, Prerna. Okay, so let me quickly create an agenda for the lesson today. In this class, you're going to understand how exactly digital marketing industry works. I'm not going to give you guys an overview of what is SEO, what is social media, how exactly these particular things work. I'm going to help you to understand how exactly the market works. If you're going to get a job or you're going to pick up, let's say, freelancing as a career or anything, what exactly people expect from you guys and what exactly you're supposed to do. And digital marketing as a term itself is a vast thing. How much and what all you can execute as a person, one individual, so that you can have a real expectation from the industry. At the same time, you should know that what you're going to do if you will pursue a career in this particular subject. I will help you to identify 3 sources of income one can generate using digital marketing, the earning opportunities. At the same time, I will also help you to understand a typical time span that you need to give to this industry. A lot of people have one myth that if I learn a course of digital marketing, I'll immediately have a great career. I'm going to get a job. I'm going to actually develop, let's say, 6-figure income, all such things. So these are all myths. I'll help you to overall understand how exactly this works, how much time you need to give to the industry so that you can be there at that particular stage. In the end, I'm going to pick up the long-term vision with digital one can plan, because no short-term goals one can fulfill from this particular industry. I'll talk about IM skills program, that what exactly, how exactly, why exactly we are the most respected institution delivering this particular course, and what it takes to learn digital marketing, and what are the best advantages when you learn here the IM skills digital marketing master program. How we deliver our program in a different way. What are the different specialities that we follow? We'll do an open Q&A round for 10-15 minutes in the end, so that whatever questions, doubts related to career, industry, digital marketing, or anything about this subject you have, you can feel free to ask me those. So now let's quickly create and start understanding that how exactly digital works. Now, if you actually broadly look at the market, as a layman, if somebody will ask you a question that what is digital marketing? Why is that businesses are using digital marketing? People will say a simple answer: to promote their services, to promote their products, to promote or do marketing, brand building kind of a thing. That's how people will answer. And for at this current stage, if I'll ask you that what are the famous channels, you will straight away answer like this. Depending upon your, different ages, you will say that Instagram is great, Snapchat is great, because you see a lot of content there, right? And then you will say Google ads, all such things. But that's not the way digital marketing works. If you broadly look at, the market has core 3 objectives. These objectives are online sales or acquisition of a customer, lead generation, and brand building. So what I'll do, I'll break these 3 types of businesses in the market so that you guys can understand the term better. So if I'll quickly ask you guys a simple question, which all types of companies are into a model of online sales? What you will answer, you will say that companies like Zomato, companies like Amazon, Flipkart, Big Basket, all the companies where they acquire a customer online. Now you need to understand the overall business model, what they have. See, they have one web app, or they have, let's say, application, right? You're searching about something. Let's assume iPhone 11. All right. Now, how do you buy iPhone 11 with Amazon? You will open the app, or else you will open Amazon.in in India. There in the search box, what you will do, you will search for iPhone 11. And if you are going to find the product within your budget, what you will do, you will click add to cart and you will buy. Am I correct? That's the way people buy. Now you need to understand a simple maths here. If you are a company that is, let's say, Amazon, do you think this particular company requires any kind of a marketing thing at this moment, because they've done enough of brand building, and the people or the person whosoever would like to buy iPhone, this person have directly written Amazon.in, means this traffic stands for direct web traffic. No marketing thing required, because I was bound to buy with Amazon. Understood? What I'll do, I'll write here iPhone 11. I'm not at Flipkart, I'm at Amazon, and I'm likely to buy. If this is under my budget, I'll straight away click and buy. Able to relate, everybody? Quick yes, no, maybe. No marketing thing, no digital stuff required. You have designed a website, front-end developer did the job, content creator created a product page, everything happened perfectly, and people are now buying. because they have done in the past enough of a brand building. The trust factor is already there in the market. What about others? How other people buy? You need to understand that. Now, the model is, in this case, a company, those who are into a model of online acquisition, there is nobody who will convince you that whether you buy iPhone 11, 12 or 13, because there is no human interaction. Somebody is visiting a website. Somebody will straight away add to cart or whatever decision he or she would like to make. Based on that, they will buy and the delivery guy will deliver the product. Now, this is one model. This type of a traffic in the internet language stands for direct web traffic. Majorly, these types of traffics are likely to buy. Other than this, what happens is that people use search engines. Okay, what is search engine? Google, Yahoo, Bing, all these companies. There, they write iPhone 11. Now, you need to understand this term properly, okay? 1.8 million people every month search for a term called iPhone 11 in India. This is Indian market, our national flag. Okay, this is Indian market. You can check US and other markets from here if you would like to. Okay, how do they react when they search for the term? They react like this. 610,000 people almost, they click at organic results. What these results are, I'll talk about it. 310,000 people click at paid ads, and then 50% audience, after searching for it, they do not click anywhere. Let's minimize this and understand. Now, Google offer various types of advertisement services. These are text-based ads, remarketing ads, YouTube-based ads. These are, as you guys can see here, these ads, these are shopping ads by Google, majorly in a form of infographic images, okay? Now, a consumer, they react on these ads, 1, 2, 3. And 3 lakh some people, they click at these types of ads every day, every month. So if I am Amazon, for me, if I would like to sell this particular product, I'm likely to create this ad because my consumers react on this. Then they are also here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you need to understand the concept here as well. Businesses, those who are present, or their websites are available here organically in a form of SEO results, they are getting higher number of clicks, 6 lakh plus clicks. And until unless you're not here, you will not be able to capture the hot people, those who are likely to buy the product. Now let's understand the overall maths here. Now, digital marketing has Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, email marketing, remarketing on YouTube, and a lot more, right? But as Amazon, if you're looking forward to sell this particular product, what are the most 2 important areas? Because the end business goal is to sell. How do the consumer buy? They buy like this, the one we can see, see right now in front of us. If I'm going to run Instagram advertisement as a digital marketer for this business, do you think I will be able to go ahead and sell the product? What's your answer? Yes or no in the chat box, everybody? Answer is no. Where do I need to create my digital presence? 1 here, 2nd here, because the higher positions I have, I'm likely to go ahead and sell the product. Able to relate? Case number 1, everybody in the chat box. Let me say yes or no in the chat box so that you guys can also acknowledge. And I have a request here, guys. The more you will participate or at least acknowledge, the higher value you can expect from my side, so that I can feel that the audience is well connected with me. In the chat box, please. Thanks, Aksha. Let's move into the second type of a business model. Now look at it. Percentage of you may have family members, those who are running up with a business. Percentage of you might have understood a concept of businesses while you've done your MBAs and all. Now there are major businesses into service-based industry. Now, let's say there is a requirement for an electrician at your home. Let's assume this. And the place where you're living in, you don't know any electrician, the local guy. What next you do? You actually do like this. You will Google a term. Let me do this for you guys. What you will write, electrician. Sorry. Or near me, like this you will do, right? Electrician online or electrician near me. What do you get? Urban company. Am I right? You will click here. Then you will give your phone number, email ID, and name to this particular company. They will arrange a local technician from your locality only. and the guy will come and will do the appliance job. Understood the concept? Now, what's the model here? I'll explain. Any business and every business, almost 90% of businesses out there are into a model of lead generation. Now, what is this lead generation model stands for? You never sell online directly. The model says your audience is searching for a product, something around a subject. Let's say better understanding, for your better understanding, I can talk about digital marketing thing. You have searched for a digital marketing course. We all know that you are at social channels like Instagram. You have searched on YouTube. You have searched around the product on a site called Quora. Someone might have referred you IM skills. You have also searched a product on Google. Terms like Best Digital Marketing Institute, Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, India, online, all such terms, right? Whatever you have searched and wherever you have searched, interestingly, you found us and other competitors in the market. Am I right? Including us, none of us have asked you one thing, that you buy the course online. What have we done? We have asked you, would you like to download our brochure? In exchange to that, what you have given to us, your name, email, and phone number. Attend a demo. And again, you have given these informations to us. Attend a free orientation class. Again, these information. Speak with somebody. Same information, right? Now we know that you are a hot prospect. Somewhere in your mind, you're interested to go ahead and learn digital marketing. Am I right? Now, given we know that you are the right fit for us, whatever we are catering as a service provider in the market, you are right audience. So the more number of qualified leads like you we are going to capture, the higher chances we are going to convert them, right? Now you look at any model in the market, any model, they are into a lead generation business. Look at Naukri.com. How many of you are aware about it? Naukri.com doesn't provide any kind of a job. It's just a lead caption site. What they do, and in their case, the lead has a different kind of a requirement. You need to give name, address, qualification, academic learning, previous work background, marital status, everything, hobbies and all, right? Now, what happens is Naukri captures these information. They have a profiling structure. Then some HR consultants, they are freelance consultants. So there are organizations, their job is they help two people to meet with each other. One, a company, then a talent. And if you get a job, this HR consultant gets a commission. Do you know this? Now, HR guys, they buy database from Naukri.com. Given they don't have that qualified database with them, they are dependent upon sites like Naukri. Now, how Naukri captures the database? Do you go to Naukri's office at Gurgaon and then give your application to those guys? No. What do? You basically create a profile and you become a qualified lead, and this is what they sell to others. What's the role of a digital marketer in this case? Whatever job profile people are searching for on the internet, encourage them that upload your profile or update your profile with Naukri, because the more number of fresh database they have, the higher chances they'll be able to sell to the HR guys. Understood, everybody? The second model. Look at Just Dial as a model. You're looking forward for a cab driver, call Just Dial 10 times 8. What do you get? You get numbers of the people, right? But these people, those who are getting your numbers, are the ones those who have purchased that database. Understood, everybody? Quick yes, no, maybe in the chat box. So through digital, what exactly they do? They create that lead generation process. And a digital marketer's role is to go ahead and qualify. First, you need to research wherever the audience is, encourage them, give the contact details so that the process can start. And they have a sales model. Different companies will have a different sale model. So that's how it works. Everybody, are you all aligned? The second type of a business in the market, why they hire digital marketers? One, they hire for online acquisition of a customer. That's called acquisition sales. Second is to generate qualified lead. Anybody in the chat box who would like to ask question around this? And let me take a sip of water meanwhile. The third type of a business is brand building. Now, which all types of businesses are using digital marketing for brand building needs or requirements? Companies, those who are majorly developing a brand image in their consumer mind. So you all can relate one thing really better now. See, you are seen IM skills, plus you might have seen other institutes as well. Am I right? While you were checking about these institutions, you may notice one part that now you're being targeted by them everywhere. So if you go to any channel, you may see their advertisements. How many of you have noticed this part? Yes or no in the chat box. Let's say with your one home same internet IP address, you are using your mobile device, you've been targeted by one institute. On the other side, let's say your family member, other family member, they are also using the same internet, but they will not get this kind of a thing. Why? Because based on your behavior, they are developing that mindset in you that we are the largest, we are the biggest, we are the best. Whenever you see recurring times, anything, that gives you that kind of an image. Another great example, you might have seen a lot of political parties. There are elections in the month of March, I guess, in Punjab and Uttar Pradesh. A lot of political parties are running advertisements. They will never ever ask you directly to vote for them. What they do, they create that mindset. In the last 5 years, this particular political person or party have done this for the state, and they create that mindset so that the day you go out to vote, you consider them that they are good in comparison to others. And the approach is developing that brand. Given they know that you are the one, see, if you actually meet, let's say you're dining with your friends, you will always observe one, the energy that you have with your friends. You all have one, similar kind of an interest. And the topics that you usually talk about are similar, right? So what happens is that because you're interested for that particular topic to always discuss that topic, you are carrying a lot of information around that particular thing. What next happens is that in these types of cases, when you do a brand reach with the targeted audience, in your conversation, consciously or unconsciously, you're going to talk about them. So that gives a great word of mouth too. Now, these types of activities one can do using digital. Why? Because if I have 100 rupees and I would like to only target Gopika, Anubhav, and V. Raghavendra, because they are the right fit, they're the right fit for my digital marketing courses, I am only going to invest my 100 rupees on these three guys. I'm not going to waste even a single paisa, a rupee, on somebody that is, or the person who is not interested to talk about my subject. Understood, everybody? Quick yes, no, maybe. So what we have understood is that there are three types of core requirements in the market. And now today I am going to help you guys to learn how are you going to achieve your end goals, a job, business, or a freelancing career, even to start an agency. Everybody, before I talk about that, are you all clear? We are on the same page? Quick yes. You know that what industry is all about, why they hire people, what are requirements. Great. Why are you here? What would you like to achieve? A job, a freelancing career? You would like to set up an agency? Today, you are going to understand everything from me. I started 3 businesses, all based on internet, okay? All it takes is 3,000 rupees to launch. Trust me, and you can make it really big. That's true. It's all about your hard work, but you must understand some real facts and figures. Some real facts and figures, when I say, remember one thing, a lot of people may promise you because we are all selling you our programs, but at least here at IM Skills, if you will buy, you will buy the authentic stuff. You're not going to buy anything that is just for, you can say, just to sell you a program. I'm going to give you something that's not going to be there. So accept and go ahead and get this very, very clearly that today, whatever I'm going to create, this is what it takes to get a job. This is how it's going to work. And this is how you're going to start your businesses. So everybody in the chat box, please help me to know, why are you here? What would you like to achieve? What's your end goal? Is it to get a job? Is it to start as a freelancer? Is it to go ahead and launch your agency? Or you may have an existing business, you would like to grow it digitally. What's your core objective? Everybody in the chat box, please. And I'm going to pick one by one. Gopika says to become a freelancer. Aksha would like to also become a freelancer, scale up my existing business for V. Raghavendra. What about others? We still have 4-5 people more. Why are you here, Prerna? Venkata. Prerna also would like to do freelancing. Okay. Anubhav to start with a job. Amazing. Okay, so let me pick up one by one. So first industry, let's talk about the job part. Now, everybody, please understand. If you observe, every institution have various types of modules. We have said we have 40 digital marketing modules here that we will teach you, right? and it's a 5 months program. Now, first and foremost, the most important part, accept the fact you cannot do everything of digital marketing all alone. Why? How many of you are aware about this? There is a word called content writing. You have to write words. For one writer, it takes 1.5 days to write 3,000 words content. And that is what minimum as per search engine guidelines are required. Understood? If a content writer is doing this job, there is SEO. In SEO, there are 3 types of SEO: on page, off page, and technical SEO. On page stands for you have to optimize a page as per Google guidelines. Off page stands for you have to gain links from the other sites. Technical SEO to optimize the website performance. Understood? Ads. Let's talk about social media. There are so many platforms: Facebook, Insta, LinkedIn, Twitter, everything. For video marketing, you have 5-6 platforms. Okay. Then you have SEM, Google Ads. There are 8 types of ads one can run. All right. And a lot more. There are infographic knowledge that you need to have, website maintenance. Now, the point is, one myth everybody have in their mind is that if I will learn digital marketing, I'm a digital marketer. Answer is no, you are not. I run IM skills. I have no idea how to run advertisements. That's the reality. And I'm in the industry since last 13 years. All I know is SEO. That's it. And I'm good at it. Trust me. But I have never said that I'm a digital marketer, because I'm not. You cannot become complete digital marketer. And even if you can learn everything. It's next to impossible that if you're applying for a job, you can execute all alone. And if it is so easy, I would only have one team member in my team. You know how many team members work in the content writing team at IM Skills? 400 plus. Rest are all different. Able to relate, everybody? Ask yourself, do you think practically it is possible for you to write 3,000 words a day, do on-page, off-page SEO, the link building practice? You have to reach out to masses and then do this kind of a relationship building, social media management, video creation. Able to relate? Quick yes. Anubhav, especially you are here for a job thing. Do you think it is a possible job for one person to go ahead and do it? No. So what I have to do? That's the question you should ask. See, remember this thing. Digital marketing is available in 2 forms: organic marketing and paid marketing. Organic stands for without spending anything. It requires constant effort, hard work. Without spending anything, you will be marketing the stuff, majorly content based. Second thing is paid marketing. Wherever, whichever channel you're going to work upon, you know how to go ahead and run paid marketing campaigns. Understood, everybody? Now, the question that you should go ahead and understand or ask yourself is, okay, I'm going to learn a digital marketing from XYZ institution out there, and I'll become an organic marketer or a paid marketer. That's the choice. But will I get a job? Again, I'm telling you this thing, and this is the reality. Accept it. Answer is, again, you will remain jobless. No, you will not get a job. Why? Now you ask yourself, if you're Amazon, let's assume, or you're a recruiter for Amazon, there is one guy who have done a course from IM Skills. Forget IM Skills. Top institution of the world. Top institution, okay? This guy would like to go ahead and hire somebody to promote iPhone 14. Amazon has a daily budget to spend 2 CR on the advertisement for iPhone 14. All right. Do you think that they're going to trust you because you've done a 3-month course or a 5-month course from any XYZ institution and they'll give you their 2 CR that you spend and get us sales? If you believe that they are going to trust you with your organic marketing skills and they are going to give you, okay, you work on this and you rank our website, we can trust you because you've done a course from a very renowned institution. No. Will you consider, if you're a recruiter, a fresher who've done a short course with these types of companies? Will you consider somebody to go ahead and hire for your lead generation process like this because this person has done a course? And if you're a brand building kind of an organization, or you have a core objective of brand building, do you think a person who just graduated will be able to go ahead and take care of the mass audiences like this? Answer me, please, Anubhav and everybody in the chat box. Why you all are so silent? Everybody in the chat box, what's your take on this? Do you think, yes, you are going to do this or offer this? Or answer it. So are you all able to relate? Now, why these all institutions are writing this, that you'll get a job, you're going to get this? This is all false information that people are feeding to you guys. What it takes to get a job. I don't even take interviews here at IM Skills. Believe me, while hiring a person. All I see is one thing, how much you've done in the past. This is what people do. Based on your past experiences, we see the result and hire the person. Trust me, no interviews. How it works, understand. You guys need to have one thing, a word I'll repeat here, portfolio. Now, what is this portfolio? Portfolio is that every execution that we are talking about today, you've done it yourself in the past. No institution out there is developing a portfolio for any individual in the market. No institution. They will just make you sit in the class. This is how SEO is done. This is how ads we run. This is how this we do. This is how that we do. What do you have in hand? Nothing. What's the secret ingredient of IM skills? What and how we run our program? Pay attention to this part. First and foremost, let's remove the doubt from the recruiter's mind that this person can go ahead and do every type of a job. The point is, if you're here to learn digital marketing, you must do everything all by yourself. Starting from designing a website, writing a content, doing SEO, running email campaigns, managing social media, and everything, whatever we are teaching you, so that whatever you have executed from the niche you're going to develop here at IM Skills, you can make this as your real resume. And this is how you're going to get a job, because you are going to showcase this to the people. Step one is clear to everybody. Second, the most important part, you have no idea who will come and hire you tomorrow. A company into online acquisition model, lead generation model, or brand building model. So what do you need? You need a complete portfolio. Through this, you can take care of each and everything. Okay. Now, what happens here at IM Skills? Pay attention to this. You are going to work upon, so in 3 months, you're going to learn how to do digital marketing. Then there are 2 months paid internship through which you will also earn a money, that stipend of 3,000 rupees fixed per month. It's virtual internship. Now in this internship, you're going to develop your portfolio. You're going to work upon 15 live project. For whom? For us? No, you are going to work on this live project for your own blog or a website that you will design. You are going to write for Times of India blog. You are going to develop your overall portfolio, launch your social channels. You will start your overall digital journey here, so that when people will look at your profile, you can actually go ahead and claim yourself that I know all these types of things. And further, you can dive into the subject. If it is around SEO, you know, because your content that you have generated is already ranking. If it is about email marketing, you can showcase to them that there's many subscribers I've captured in the past, and this is what I've been doing, and this is what I'll do for you. If it is about running a social media campaign, you can showcase your social media presence to those guys. So everything of digital marketing that you will execute here in the program, you are going to do it for your own website, and this portfolio will be developed in an overall time span of 5 months. One condition, remember thing in the mind, it will take, everything will take time, and you need to spend good amount of time in terms of developing all these content, YouTube things and everything. Because for me, saying that for next 5 months you're going to do these things are so easy, but when you will start doing it, you will realize that it's a time consuming concept. Learning digital marketing is the easiest thing you can do in your life, but executing digital marketing is the difficult part. And when you're executing it, I'll talk about what we have for you in the end. Okay, what we have for you. Will we learn basics to advance everything about digital marketing in 5 months? Answer is yes. In the first 3 months, you're going to learn how to execute, and here you're going to practice it, all hands on. You will be working on a real-time project with the companies, so that particular thing will give you a portfolio, because you will not work for us. You're going to work for a real company, and they will show, okay, this person have done a work for the other company, and you can actually go ahead and showcase what you have done in the past. Everybody clear? Now let's talk about the second part of digital. People who are here to go ahead and start with a business, I'll club this with freelancing. Now, first thing and the most important thing, remember one thing, freelancing is not so great because your brand position matters the most in the market. Always consider a business. If you're here to launch your own business, or you may have existing businesses, you would like to scale it up. What happens here? You get mentorship given by IM Skills. In the mentorship program, what we do, we are going to help you to launch your business. If you already have an existing business, we will identify whether there is a search volume available for the product or services or not. If not, how to create that buzz and then get into the market. If yes, then how to go ahead and dive into the subject and start selling. That's your objective, right? Now, depending upon what you would like to do, how we work, please pay attention to this. And this is the most important part of our program. I have a same program through which I'm committing people that a person who's here to get a job will get a job. So I'm saying that a person sitting in the arts class will become a lawyer. I'm saying the person sitting in the art class will become a chartered accountant. And I'm also saying the person sitting in the arts class will become a doctor. So what are we doing? We are actually saying DMMC, Digital Marketing Master Course at IM Skills. Job person will get a job. Business person will launch a business. Freelancer will become freelancer. Do you think practically it is impossible? It is possible to do everything from one state delivery, and every institution is doing that. Am I correct? Every other institution is telling you that from one state course, everything one can achieve: job, career, everything, like lawyer, CA, and doctor. If you would like to become a chartered accountant, you must attend training around finance. If you would like to become a doctor, go ahead and learn training around, let's say, biology or the other stuff. Lawyer thing is possible. Are you all with me on this? Yes, no, in the chat box. Then how it is possible? Let me go ahead and talk about secret ingredient used by IM Skills. We do not deliver our training program in a one state way. Our training is personalized as per students' requirement. The day first of the training program, what we do, we help you to identify your niche. And we already know that who you are and why you are here. If you're here to get a job, your training will be delivered according to that. If you're here to launch a business, we are going to identify your business niche on day first. And we are going to help you to launch your business digitally on the day first. And we are going to sell when? In the course. How? This is what mentorship program that we run helps you to go ahead and get that. At the same time, the most beautiful part of our program is that no mediator between you and I. What? How it works? Let me explain. You know what? While learning digital marketing, you can learn digital marketing all for free from YouTube channels. Trust me. You are paying this huge amount of fee to us or other institutions because of this mentorship that I'm talking about. When you are stuck, let's say on Tuesday, you're stuck. What next? Call Weber. You know, you have somebody to give you hand holding throughout the training period, even after the training period. Wherever and wherever you are stuck, call us directly so that we can help you to identify. If you're here to get a job, you need a portfolio, we will develop that. When? In the course. That is the beauty. So if you're here to get a job, you will have your job interview in the training itself. And if you're here to launch your business, you don't have to wait. You will launch on the first day of the training. And further, you will focus only at selling part in the course. The delivery will be aligned towards the final goal that you would like to go ahead and achieve. That is how we deliver the program. Everybody well aligned? Quick yes, no, maybe. Now, one thing I would like to go ahead and also share with the people who are here to launch their agencies as a freelancer. The biggest mistake people are actually doing is that if they have learned 40 modules of digital marketing, in the market, they will launch 40 types of services they are going to cater to the people. Am I correct? That we are full-fledged digital marketing agency, we'll do WordPress, we'll do this, we'll do that. Wrong. You should only do one thing, SEO. Example, hypothetically, within SEO, just on page or off page, just one thing. Why? Because if you will become a specialized company, there are hardly 10 competitors. But if you will become a company catering to 40 types of businesses, there are 40,000 competitors. To beat these 40,000, it is next to impossible for you. Why? Because you don't have manpower, no money. You may have money, but you're not willing to invest. Or you may not have that much patience. You are actually fighting with 40,000 different warriors. It's always good to fight with 10. Because in this case, you're likely to win. And once in this context, you are at a stage that you're having a recurring revenue of 1 lakh rupee, recurring revenue of 1 lakh. What next thing happens? You can go ahead and launch on page as well. Then reach to 2 lakh revenue. Then once you're done, launch SMM management services. Then you can reach to, let's say, 5 lakh recurring revenue. That's the beauty. And what's the beauty of getting into a B2B model of digital marketing as a freelancer or a business? If you will capture one client who has committed you 10,000 rupees in the month of Jan. In the month of Feb, you already have pre-booked client. You already have 10,000 rupees booked. All you need to do, you have to sell to a new customer in February. So let's say you sold to another customer who is giving you commitment of 30,000. So what do you have? 40,000 commitment. 40,000 rupees is what you get. Plus March, you can add new sales. So by the end of the 12 months, what you can consider that you have recurring revenue booked by the client, let's say at 2 lakh, and you can scale it up. That's the way this model works. And that's why it is so beautiful. Are you all able to relate, connect, and understand the model better? How this part works, we are there. We were going to help you. Quick acknowledgement in the chat box. And trust my words, you guys are really lazy around giving acknowledgements. Do that. You know, the more energy I'm going to get, trust me, I'm going to create this particular thing in a better way for you. Everybody. Thank you. Thank you so much. Let me go ahead and introduce the next subject in front of you guys. I'm sure you all have heard around this particular thing. You all may be observing a lot of people doing this particular thing, the word you have heard in the past. But today I'm going to help you to touch the overall understanding around this particular market, what it is, how it works. Affiliate marketing. How many of you have heard around this word, affiliate marketing? In the chat box, please. You have heard, right? Let me tell you one thing very clearly. Anything and everything that you buy from the internet, anything and everything that you buy from the internet, you are buying the affiliated stuffs. That's right. At the same time, let me be also honest about something. When you watch these people doing vlogging, running food blogs, all those types of things, you are basically buying a product that is over promoted by some people. And they earn a lot of money because of you guys. And you end up wasting your, I'm not saying that you're wasting, you're just entertaining yourself, but do that. It's always good that you execute it. It's better that you will be able to go ahead and make a passive income. One beauty about affiliate, okay, so those who have never heard around what affiliate marketing is, let me go ahead and talk about it. Influencer marketing and affiliate marketing. What is influencer? You have 1 lakh people on Instagram. Let's say you're a girl and there is one company, let's say Maybelline. I hope spellings are okay. I don't know, Maybelline, something like this. Okay. Maybelline reaches out to Prerna, that you are, let's say, a right person for us to go ahead and create an engagement about our product. So you post around, let's say, this particular nail paint. Prerna will do 7 days posting contract. They will pay 10,000 rupees to Prerna. And whether people buy, they don't buy, they have done the brand building. If you have seen Emily in Paris, one Netflix series, in that series, you might have noticed in the last chapter, not this one, the first episode, there was one thing that there was one girl, she was making some kind of, beauty products. Then she invited all the Instagram followers to go ahead and create that buzz. That's influencer marketing. What is affiliate? It's right opposite to it. In this case, Prerna will get a money. Why? Because whether people buy, they don't buy, as an influencer, she has influenced her audience. Okay. The opposite model is affiliate marketing. You will be given links by the company that you are promoting. If people will click and makes the purchase, you get a commission. And within 6 months, whenever they are going to make a purchase, you will still get a commission because websites save cache, and the validity of caches are 6 months. Okay. Now, when I said affiliate marketing, it's big, it's everything. Anything and everything that we actually buy from the internet is affiliated. To observe something better, how products by watching, let's say, unboxing video. I watch SE Series 6. You get this in front of you. When I search for Amazon or Apple something, some time back, what do we get? We have got something around GSM Arena, right? What is GSM Arena? Affiliate site, pure affiliate site. Every URL given by this company here, they are affiliated. They are running ads as well. Google, AdSense, they are, they're running this particular as well as a service. However, all links given here, affiliated. If you will click and buy, what next happens from any of the company, Best Buy, Amazon.in, Amazon.com. Can you see this? Tag is equivalent to GSM.com. Link code this, they earn a commission. Forget this. Search for anything. Let's say machine learning course or courses. Best machine learning courses, more intent to buy. Ads, 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 ads. Wherever you see top 10, they are affiliated. Affiliated. Springboard affiliated. Able to relate? Quick yes, no, maybe. Now, the question that comes to your mind is that how much money these people must be making. See, I'll tell you one thing. Depending upon the niches, education is a great niche. Home appliances, another great niche. Technology-based products are again based, big niche. Mobile technology, laptop technology, it's a big niche. When I say big niche, I mean millions of people are searching around it every day. Let's say text Mr. Grinders in India. This is what I Google as a term. Millions of people are searching around this particular topic every day. I'll give you an example of this small site. This hardly have 130 articles. You can count it later on. This website has covered all the home appliances, air conditioner, cooler, fryer, purifier, all these types of contents. Overall, this website has 126 articles. If you want to read that how many articles they have, can you see this? You can give a count. I counted this part yesterday only. You also count it. Okay. After writing 130 articles, this website drives how much traffic? Let's validate that. The number of visitors every month they get. Bicycle, 1, 2, 3, verify. This website receives 2,30,000 hits every month. Good number worldwide. All with the transactional content, best mixer grinder, best washing machines. They are intent to buy. Understood everybody? Quick yes. Now the next question that comes to your mind is that after writing 130 article, how much money are they making? See, if you click any of these URL, let's say air conditioner, they are redirecting you to Amazon. Okay. Now these are intent to buy thing. 41,000 is the cost. Amazon affiliate program. How much Amazon pays as a commission to people like you? Let's check that. On home appliances, kitchen appliances and all that. You guys can read about this thing. It's written here. Home appliances, kitchen appliances, houseware, 9% commission. If somebody will buy 41,000 product, you have 3,700 rupees commission. Understood? Like that, they're only writing about things like it's like 41,000. It should actually check INR to USD kind of stuff. Almost around $55. And they have minimum 5% commission on the product. I've given you, you validate it. Now you tell me, out of 2.3 lakh people, those who are reading about this kind of a stuff on the internet to buy which is the best washing machine, which is the best water cooler, which is the best air conditioner, on a scale of 1% to 100%, what are the percentage of buying from these types of people? 1%, 2%, 3%. What do you think is the ideal percentage? And they have only written 130 articles. 130. How many articles we have so far published? Do you know that? At IIM Skills. 1,300 articles. Now, give me any number in the chat box, guys. 1%, 2%, 3%, bare minimum number that you feel. 5%, Aksha, okay. Others in the chat box, guys, please participate. Anubhav, Gopika, Prerna, V. Raghavendra, Venkat. 3%, 2%. Let's go with 1% conversion. That's it. Bare minimum. Dead conversion. Okay, 1%. Typically, with organic marketing, you have 22% conversions. 22. But it also depends upon various factors. If females are there, you have more conversions. If audiences mix, you have less conversion. If male candidate, if not candidate, if male audience is what you're targeting, less conversions. Male are not that impulsive to buy, females are. That's the stats. I'm not saying this on my own. That's the stat that comes from the internet. No, it's okay, Anubhav. That's okay. Now understand and relate. 1% conversion gives this website or this blog 2,300 people. I will not tell you that this blog makes, let's say, $50 per sale. I will only say this blog makes only $3 per sale minimum. I'm sure bare minimum they are earning $3 per sale. 2300 multiplied by 3 USD is 6,900 USD. INR to USD 6900. 5,10,000 rupees is what bare minimum after writing 130 articles every month this person is making. And once it, once you have written this article, forever you will earn. It's not that today you have earned and tomorrow you will not. Now, this is something that you just sit, relax. This is the earning potential. Anything, everything that you observe on the internet, you're making money. People are making money. How much money? Beyond your imagination. Beyond your imagination. This is the bare minimum stat I've given you. How much money do I make as an affiliate? You cannot even think about it. But I never ever tell people that this is so easy. Why? Because in my case, the only condition, only thing is that I have people working for me. It's not that I am doing any kind of a job now. There was a time. So I started my career as Course Deco. That was an affiliate channel. I used to sell leads to the various brands. Today I run, like Course Deco, at least 8 websites. I run coursedeco.com. Now for you guys, you will write, okay, how much this particular blog will be giving to this guy? I run advisoruncle.com. I run vibhavk.com. I run idiot.com. I run digitalcoursesindia.com. All these websites are managed by us. Now let me explain how we make money. Now, okay, so you ask yourself, each one of you, you have searched for best digital marketing institutes in India, am I right? Or in Delhi or in Mumbai, like that, other than somebody was referring you IM skills. Anybody in the group, can you please acknowledge that? Have you searched best institute to, let's say, for digital marketing thing in India or Delhi, in Mumbai, something like that? Now, let's say how we make money. Let me explain. Let's say you are searching for digital marketing institute in India. Okay. Now, when I add a term called best, these are intent to buy. Okay. 1, 2, 3. They are spending money to get traffic. Now, in our case, we have our own article here. We have this article, all right, ranked here. If somebody clicks here, what for the other person they get? They get IM skills. Similarly, if you search for, let's say, digital marketing course in Delhi, example, what do you get? Do you get IM skills or sorry, do you get advisor until blog? You get, correct? Understood? Now, if somebody clicks here and the person, in our case, reaches out to us from this blog, and the person gets converted, how much money from one customer we get? 35,000 rupees. Now, any keyword that you will search, let's say Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, courses on content, technical, whatever, you get this website, my other website. So what's the advantage? Now, these are affiliates, or you can also call them PBN. So for us, we don't have direct way to calculate that how much money we have made from this blog, but it's huge. Other than this, we can calculate the other courses that we sell. Let's say I don't offer graphic designing course, but competitors too. So what we do, we link them to the affiliate channels. That's with Udemy, Coursera, EDX, because people, they buy a lot of courses from these guys. So these are affiliate URLs. So on a scale, let's say we realize, okay, they are buying a lot of courses on graphic designing. For us, we will be able to go ahead and launch a product around it. Able to relate? Now, can you just understand the model between how affiliate work? Now, interesting part is that a lot of people spread a lot of myth around this word that you can make a lot of money through affiliate marketing. It is true, but this is something that you can only channelize in next 3 to 4 years. If you will start today, it will take 3 to 4 years to reach there. If you're expecting that from affiliate marketing, you're going to make huge money after learning, answer is no. But beautiful part of IM Skills program is that you will launch that in our training. Everybody clear and sold on the subject? Yes, no, maybe. So let's talk a little bit about our course, how it works, and then I'll open our open Q&A round for you guys. The course that we offer, it's a 5 months program. This includes 3 months of a training and 2 months of a paid internship. The course will give you 15 live projects, case studies, discussion, and tools that you're going to get, so that practical exposure is what you gain in that overall program. From designing a website to executing digital all campaigns, you will be doing in the program. The best part of our course is lifetime access to the latest classes along with recordings in the form of learning management system and live. You have direct mentorship given by the trainer, no mediator between you and me. In most of the institution, the biggest problem that you face is that once enrolled, there are no teachers, there are no faculties. You just write an email, nobody will reply, or even if they reply, that's, those replies are coming from some XYZ people. There are no interaction between the faculties. Some have mentioned some big shots in the market. They are working as VPs and all in various types of companies. Do you think they're going to give you the phone numbers? Answer is no, they don't. Here at IM Skills, the beauty is that you are going to get mentorship given by the right faculties. Now, let's talk about how this program is delivered. This course is priced as 34,900 plus 18% tax. Total is 41,182. In return, you get 6,000. So it's like effective fee to you will be 35,000 rupees, because 3,000 rupees stipend for 2 months you're going to get from our side. The course will cover these topics. I'm not going to get into that. How do we deliver the course? We deliver the course every Tuesday and Thursday from 8 p.m. till 9:30 p.m. The subject will be led by industry experts. For an example, I'm going to lead all around SEO and WordPress training. The other faculty, based on their experiences, IIT Delhi faculties are, by the way, there. They're going to lead the program, and they are specialized trainers around SEMs and ads. So different trainers are going to lead the different program based on their specialities. You're not going to learn a program from, let's say, one person who is delivering everything to you. Understood, everybody? Concept is clear. Now, when is the next batch starting? Coming Tuesday, we have another batch starting, 11th of Jan 2022. And you can get yourself enrolled in the same training program. This is the registration link, open to all. And we are open for the registration until, you can say, we have seats available. In one batch, you may have this question. We have 25 people in one training program. That's how it's going to be. So I'm done from my side in terms of orientation. I think we are good. Rest, everything is just a selling thing. I would not like to go ahead and do that. And that's how it's going to be. You can ask your questions now. As Akshay asked, Akshay, this is LMS. Every class recording you can access here. Material, study material, class PPT, tools that we offer, everything is here. And you will have access to the same forever. You can in fact check previous classes recording. You can check latest classes recording. Every class will be recorded by us. If anybody would like to talk, can simply mention, please unmute me. I will unmute you and you can ask your questions. No, I mean, beside live lecture, do we have recorded videos? Yes, I said yes, you will. Anybody who has a plan to start with the upcoming batch, can you please mention so that my colleague can go ahead and get in touch with you, Vinay? Anubhav would like to join March end, no problem. Any other question, guys, that you would like to ask? Let me stop the recording otherwise.